All right, what's good, YouTube, man? We back finally from vacation, and I said I got to give you guys a video. So we have a taper fade and a neck fade using my new Babyliss Pro cordless clippers. I did an unboxing on these clippers about a month ago. So here we are. We got a video showing how they cut, man. I got the number one guard going with the grain, and he has like 380 waves in the back, and you'll see that once we rotate the chair. But yeah, these Babyliss clippers these are basically the fast feeds of cordless clippers. These are some of the best fading cordless clippers that I use. I'm just doing the entire haircut with the clippers right here, but yeah, these are some very good fading clippers, man. I find myself using these now more than the Magic Clips, even though my Magic Clips are still, overall, Magic Clips are my favorite clippers because they take down bulk a little bit better than these clippers. But these clippers are hands down the best fading cordless clippers I've ever used. So yeah, that, as you see, he has those 180s, I think that's what you call them, waves in the back. You just got to go with the way that he brushes his hair, every angle. Make sure you hit it correctly because it's easy to gap up someone who has a wave pattern like his in the back or on the side. So right here, I'm just making sure I got all the hair on the top. Making sure those waves are popping in the light and brushing as I go. We're gonna start this fade off in the back. We're gonna start the neck fade off first. Still using the same clip as the Babyliss Pro. We're gonna start that first guideline, have the lever closed, creating that bald line. We're just gonna clean them up. And we brush as we make those guidelines. And we open the lever, and we're gonna go up almost an inch to start this fading process off. Now we're gonna work on that bottom line. The lever's closed. I'm just using the corners of the blade to knock that bottom line out. This is a crucial part of the fade, man. This is what makes the fade flow. When you have that bottom part of the fade faded all the way out with no lines showing, and it's just blurry. So the trick to getting that fade like that is to make sure you use the corners of the blade and fade with the way that your client hair grows. Constantly brushing as we fade too, man. Make sure that hair is laying down. Right here we have the number one guard on, lever open. Going up maybe in about an inch. Then we close it, and we just going up right above that dark line, that hard line that we have. To just lighten up that line and get ready to knock that line out with the next half guard. Alright, we have the half guard on, and we got to lock that hard line out using the corners of the blade. And that fade is going to fall into place. And we brushing down as we fade, make sure that fade is looking good. As you see that the half guard brings that fade on in, and we're just gonna finish going across, and the neck fade would be complete. Just working a little bit of that weight out. Now we're just gonna go with the grain, make sure the hair is laying down with the one guard. Smooth that fade all the way in. Hit a few spots that I may see as dark. Make everything fall. Make that fade blurry like I like it. Like my client like it, like it's supposed to be. Just takes years of practice, man, and developing that barber eye. As you can see, man, he got those 180s. I think they want, I hope I'm calling it the right thing, but you got those what we call it sideways back in school. You told him, Danny boy, you got them sideways. Why you brush your hair like that? We never understood it, you know. He's had this type of wave pattern since probably 5th, 6th grade. He's always brushed his hair different. About to go ahead and hit this edge up in the back. Getting around that ear. We can try to connect this fade to the front. That's why I like the skeletons though. It's good to get around the ear with these clippers. That's why I always use these skeletons and these T-outliners when I'm doing the back of the edge up and around the ear for the maneuverability. Struggle with that word, but yeah. So you can maneuver around the ear.
I leave it behind if you let me. Ironic, I drown just to hold you down. I jump off the ledge if you're with me. I bring you up, you just let me down. Let me down.
Do the same thing on this side. And we about to start the taper in the front. Create that first guideline with the same clippers. Balled it. all that first line on out, right there at the top of the ear. Creating that first line at the top of the ear. Got my Babyliss again with the lever open. We're gonna create that first guideline. Going up. We went up by the inch and now we're taking that first guideline out. Closing the lever, using the corners of the blade the same way I did the back. I'm doing this entire haircut with the same clipper. All right, we got the one guard. Fading this. Got the one guard open. We're gonna fade it all the way into the hair. Then we're gonna close it. Try to get a few of those dark spots out, and then we're gonna take it all the way out. Going with the grain right here. Still the one guard. Still the one guard. Making sure we getting all that hair around the fade blended in. I don't know why it just looked like that. Alright, we got the half guard. Using the corners, we have to make this fade blended all the way in. Get behind the ear. You always want to make sure you get that fade going all the way behind the ear and make sure you don't leave that hair around the ear. All right, we're about to start on this edge up, man. I got those started the edge up with the Andes GTX. These are my hitters right here. I'll let you guys just continue watching this video, man. We're just gonna keep the edge up consistent and straight all the way across. Keep it as natural as possible. We're gonna clean up the face, and we're just gonna clean up the face and clean up the goatee, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Man, I appreciate you guys for watching, man, for subscribing, all of that. I appreciate the support. And it's your boy EB Cutting, and I'm out. Till next time.
the beat.